Hello friends, so you like playing some online games and would love to earn a little extra cash for just this and that? Well, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to a new app called Quick It's just like Dream 11, in which you can bet on IPL teams and get cash. Well, in the start of the app, you have to confirm your age and accept the terms and conditions. Then you have to enter your mobile number for the OTP verification. Make sure that you enter the SIM's number which is already in your phone so that it can detect the OTP automatically. The reason why I prefer this app over Dream 11 is that in Dream 11 you have to bet your own money for every single game, but in this app you can play games without even betting your own money. So in the start it might ask you for a username and password, but I have already account in this app so it didn't ask me. So let's try. If this is the starting screen of the app, let's select this match. Then we have to go to play cash contest. Then we have to join the contest. In order to join the contest, the game will ask you to pick 3 to 5 batsmen, 3 to 5 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper and 1 to 3 all-rounders. So let's get started. You can only select players from the team which have a match between them. For example, Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings in this case. And just look at the bottom right corner of the screen. We have credits left 805. So we can, here are the players credit in front of the name of the players. We can choose all the players but not more than the credits that we have. So after batsman, let's select bowlers, then wicket keeper, then all-rounder. So now you can see that our team is just gonna be complete. We just have to select the players according to the credit. This is our team. You can view your team like this. So then you have to select next. Then you have to select the captain and vice captain of your team. Then you have to save the team. Now you might be lucky enough to get 1600 rupees if you come first, and later on these all prizes are there. You just have to wait for the match and you can win a lot of credits. It's a very great app and you don't have to actually bet your own money to do that. So it's better than Dream 11, I guess. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. You can also share if you think that your friends will be benefited from this video. Thank you for watching this video.